Yeah, what's poppin', man? Welcome back. Welcome back to the streams. What's good? What's good? What's good? So, camera's not even on. That's a good start. Listen. Welcome back, gang. What's good, KB? What's good, Crypto? Good, Mr. Noodle Holtz. What's poppin', chat? What's poppin'? So, listen. Fucking hell, gold's going crazy. Yeah, what are we trading today? Gold or meme coins? Which one? Which one? What's good, Adam? Good, Malenko. Bro. I don't even know what's going on, to be honest, chat. I don't even know what's going on. It's a crazy day right now. Yesterday was fucking insane. Like, truly mad. Yeah, man. These gold buys that we were in from down here, yeah, holy shit. That ran, eh? That was like the bottom. Oh, gang, back at it? Indeed, man, indeed. Bro. Chat, I'm excited for today, though. It should be good. Should be a good day. Yeah, look, I'm going to do a breakdown on gold real quick. I'm not going to lie. Last night, I spent the evening trading meme coins. We flipped $300 into 1.3K. I called it out on my story as well. So if you guys saw my story and didn't act, that's tough. But yeah, that was honestly just the maddest night as well. I started posting TikToks about it and they blew up as well. Fucking interesting stuff, chat. Interesting stuff. This is so degenerate, but we move. We move. So look, let's move on to gold right now because gold is ripping up. So we did actually close within the range yesterday on gold. We closed back above this area at 2634 that I was looking at. Now you do have range up until 2671, but you're about to tap that right now. So if you were going to see a reaction here, it'd probably be like probably be right now. Now the 4 hour as well obviously is the same range here. I think you're probably likely to see a reaction here at 2668 on the 4 hour. So if we do tap into here and reject, we can definitely look at taking some sells off of that. Just in case, because every time we've tapped into this level, we've started to reject. Otherwise, if you're looking for buys here, chat, it gets very difficult. I would probably need to see a closure now for buys above 2673.8. Yeah. Which is, again, like, very, very difficult because you've pushed so far already. Now, you do have another level here at 2648. That's actually quite a clean level, to be fair, as well. I'd actually move it down a little bit here towards 2644. This range is so huge though. That's like a 300 pip range. Yeah, chat, this is difficult here. You just ripped so far. My main concern. I mean, look, we can look at taking the smaller ranges too. Like, you've got 2667, which is a key level here too. And then you've probably got your next level is somewhere around here as well at 2660. That down a little bit, yeah. So, I mean, technically you can play these ranges here, which is okay. Otherwise, chat, like, again, I just need to see that closure above 2673 is what I meant. After that, you've got room until probably 2683. Let me delete these initial lines here. I do want to leave this one. This is our like overall target. Not daily target, but overall wider range. But yeah, chat, look, starting to hopefully make some structure and pull back is what we need here. Look at the way you just pushed up. No structure whatsoever. Good, Dan. How's it going, man? How's Florence? Yeah, it was really good, bro. Really, really good. I can't lie. It was really good to get away from the charts, get relaxed, you know, get my mind refocused, etc, etc. TikTok's going crazy right now. Just looking, this shit's gone mad. Bro, stone like in the mountainside. Yeah, bro, I wish it was here. Bought a load of SG's bicep coin. Crypto, I saw the other coin that you found. It's hilarious. Did you go to Gucci Osteria? Nah, bro. Nah. I've been there before. I didn't like it too much. I can't lie. No, I just spilled my water. What do I do? What do I do, chat? Alright, cool. Full on snow in there. That's crazy. I bought Trend yesterday. Yeah, there was a Trend coin, bro. I saw that. That was funny. That was funny, man. Okay, chat, look, though. You got 20 minutes here to the hourly close. So, what do we expect to see? Why is this coffee so weak? So many questions. Who's got the answers? Chat, if we do close above here, above 26.67, we could look to take some buys to continue up. Every time you close above here, you do tap into like 26.73. So we can look to take that as well. I would need to see a bottom wick first, right? I need to see a bottom wick tapping down into like... Actually, these candles are not too bad. Stops would be like 60 pips. Alright, we can take a look at this, chat. I have a feeling this is going to be one of those days that just absolutely rips. Yeah, chat, I'm not going to lie. It sounds weird to say, but I made a lot of money on Goon last night. Here. Goon, bro. It made me a big bag. You sold the top, not gonna lie? Nah, I didn't, bro. It went up to 40 after I sold, but I think meme coins are done for right now. I think it's gonna be exit liquidity for a while. I'm not going back in. Yeah, that shit's crazy though. I was very conservative too. I could have let like, because I was taking partials on the way up. All of these went to zero pretty much. Actually, FYP went crazy, but I sold it. Swing short on gold, not going too well. Yeah, I was going to say, bro, I would never swing short gold. Gold's bullish long term, right? I guess with Trump, maybe that's your thinking. Yeah. I think, what's that platform? It's Phantom Wallet. PHAN, like Phantom. Korean Air Force announces ballistic missile alert. Yeah, that makes sense, bro. They're gonna come crying to the US now after they sent missiles into Russia. It makes no fucking sense. Anyway, try not to show my thoughts on that one too much. Chat, we've been absolutely killing it last night. Signals took a dub last night as well, even though it was only a small dub because we closed and managed a little bit of risk. Signals took a dub nonetheless. So yeah, make sure you guys, if you want to jump in there, make sure you do. But today I'm very excited for a lot of things, to be honest. The course is coming out. I'm going to finish producing that hopefully today or tomorrow. And then, yeah, that's going to come out on the 1st of December. Which is going to be sick. And then obviously, otherwise, Q4 has been going well so far. I'll finish off the year strong. We're coming in towards the end of 2024. Hopefully you guys are good, good with what you've done this year. Hopefully you're happy with your progress. If you're not, you've got a little bit of time to amend that. Get some last minute work in before the end of December. I don't want to see any people taking Christmas off. If you haven't achieved your goals yet, you got to work through Christmas Day. No Christmas dinner for you. I'm joking. But yeah, listen, this community is going crazy. I'm so excited for where we're going to go in 2025. I think it's going to be a huge year for us. Genuinely, just building the best trading community there is, because I've seen so many communities, and they're massive, right? But they're so toxic. You have members like inside the community, you know, chatting shit about each other and everything. You can't be having that around here. So if we can build the biggest community and we also don't have that toxicity, then yeah, I don't know what to say, man. The nighttime VC calls are the shit. Bro, I'm telling you. Those evening daily calls, people sleep on them, but they are Next level. Shahab, what's good? How can you use your course and learnings if I work full time? If you work full time, bro, obviously you can study the course in the evening when it comes out. You can use that as like a resource. You can join the daily calls after work as well, and then you can learn to trade. And then when you're working, you can trade, you know, like after work. So depending on what time zone you're in, you can either trade like Asia in the PM session or pre-London. And then obviously once you get profitable enough to quit your job, you quit your job, and then yeah. What's that? What's the meme coin to buy right now? Let's take a look. Bro, chill guy's still going crazy, huh? What was I looking at earlier? Oh, I looked at Steve's, right? Yeah, that one's not going too well. Probably stay out of this one. What did Goon do? Yeah, I like to see that. I sold it like 29. I sold that. Love to see that. What else? Did he go up? A little bit, not too much. Steve's, nah, I'd stay out of Steve's, to be honest. I'm actually not in it, I don't think. What's that other one? Mango. It's one. Wait, where is it? This one. That shit was ripping a while back. Yeah, it's gonna come back down there now. I'd stay out of this too. You know shit about meme coins, just FX? Oh, don't know shit about meme coins. Yeah, bro. I mean, stay out of meme coins right now, to be honest. Justin Whelan said it best, right? But when people constantly like DMing you asking about meme coins, that's when you gotta stay away. Gonna stick with gold and Nasdaq? Yeah, trust me, bro. I'm fully out, so I literally withdrew everything from my wallet, like. Literally withdrew everything, but I did turn 1.5 Solana into 6 Solana, so pretty fucking crazy. Like yeah, $300 into 1.3k. It's like nothing. Well, no, it's a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but like I saw people flip it into like 50k and shit. I know now about that, but WSG, yeah, thank you, bro. Again, with meme coins, it's just degenerate shit, right? Which meme coin should I buy? Bro, look at teach you how to find them rather than. Firstly, go to my TikTok and just read the comments, right? Whoever's commenting the most about a certain shit, like whichever coin's being commented the most about, it's obviously got hype behind it, right? So like I'm literally just seeing. Wait, where's my comments? Bro, I got 700 comments last night. Like, literally just read through them all. Oh fuck. And then what I do is I just check them out. So like, look at Chill Kid. What's talking about? Toad. Fucking. Wait, someone said I can't even cash it out. I don't know. Anyway, Just find trending shit on TikTok, then go over to Dex Tools and essentially just see if you like the chart. Like, do some technical analysis, right? You guys trade. So what was the one I just saw right now? Toad? Someone just told me about Toad. This one, I guess. What's the market cap? You need to see it. Yeah, see, the market cap's too big for this one, so it's not really got much room to grow, but look at it pushing up. That is fucking crazy, though. Someone told me about that yesterday. That's insane. Oh, shit. It's already been way higher. Wow. Yeah, the shit's pushing. Obviously, like, look at it. Do you want to buy that or not? I don't know. Do some technical analysis. Yesterday, I was literally just looking at market structure on coins, and it worked, right? Making higher highs, higher lows. I got in. Simple. Titanic? I don't know what that is, bro. Meme coins are the definition of degen. Yeah, Levi, they actually are. 100%. Chat, back to gold right now. You have the hourly close here in 11 minutes. I want to see if we can close above this level. If we can get a bottom wick, we'll be in some buys to continue up right now. Because I think, to be honest, I think you should be good to catch some buys and continue up. I used to make money from selling my photography NFT, spend it in meme coins and lose it. Yeah, that's the vibe, bro. I used to do the same thing. Not photography, but similar sort of thing, bro. Actually made a shitload of money in NFTs and then lost it trying to trade Bitcoin, like scalp it. Is right. 10 minutes here, chat. What can we do? But chat, how was everyone's London session? How was everyone's day yesterday too? Did you guys catch anything after New York stream? What are we looking at? Bro, Eugene, I'm not gonna lie, I was fucking crying with laughter about you troll. You know, chat, you know those bots that come and comment on like TikTok videos or like Instagram saying like, I learned Forex from so-and-so and made this amount of money. But Eugene just got in like a bit of a conversation with one of them in my TikTok comments. I was crying, bro. I was crying. Like, he was taking this guy for a trip. It was so funny. No trades for you yesterday? W discipline? Yeah, indeed. Chat, we waited so long yesterday. Like, so long for our positions. We waited till the end of New York stream. I've been waiting for one thing the entire day and we finally caught it, but holy shit. That was definitely a testing day. Definitely a day that tested the psychology a lot. Minutes, chat. Can we close above here? Potential right now. You got a wick fill too. The wick fill gives you like 25 pips, I think. 20. That's not bad. We'll take that. Also, not gonna lie, chat. I fell asleep last night with all my lights on and like everything still up. I was literally like fucking too busy zoning in on the meme coins. Slumped. DVDs is crazy. Yeah, 30-minute looks like it might flip though. You got no bottom wick on the 30-minute. I've just seen that. Do that every day? That's crazy. That's not good for you. That's not good for you. Snowing? Bro, it's not snowing here. Good raise. How's it going, my G? Yeah, can we push up here, man? Yeah, I can't lie. Once everyone starts getting into a specific like crypto, it's pretty much game over. Like, I have people that I know messaging me saying, you know, should I buy this meme coin? Should I buy that meme coin? Like, No. Who's the type of person to go outside when it's snowing and look up and put your tongue out? That's you, Eugene. See you. Cat, we went from 180 followers on TikTok yesterday to 600 followers. It's fucking crazy, bro. Yo, chat, when did SG hit 5K? Let's go. What's good, Madry? We hit it like a couple of weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, something like that. Yeah, man. Exciting times. Chat, look at this, though. So... you have rejected here off of this 2667 level. When you did that in the past as well, you actually did continue down. Every time you've tapped into this level here, I would have liked to see a tap into 73. But you didn't. But you did actually close, or you are starting to reject here off of this level at 2673. So if you can do that and close bearish here, below 2667, like we have done here. We've got a mirror of these moves down. So realistically, that should take you... should be able to take us further down towards the bottom of the range for a retrace, basically. What's this? We'll take it. Yeah, chat, so if we close bearish on the 30 like this, we can potentially look to take some sells. I'm not against that. Lock it in here a little bit. Let me open my broker as well. Black screen. Alright, cool. What are we gonna do here, chat? 4 minutes to the close. How much? That's the all important question right now. Some more energy from you guys. It's a good morning here. Should be excited to go and attack the day. Lots to do today. People to see, places to be. Meme coins to buy. Gonna rip straight down. Gold to $0, right? Gold looks a little bit like a fucking meme coin right now, I'm not gonna lie. With this shit. Yeah, I can't lie. I had a position here as well last night. Somewhere like, oh yeah, here I had some buys. Clean as well. Should we pull gold? Oh, we could do. Sell all the gold you own right now. It might impact the market price. Is due a retracement? Yeah, but the thing is, we could have said that this entire way up, right? We could have said that like here, 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 here. The only thing I'm concerned about. You are right. We all press sell at once on our demo accounts. Because even if you have a live account, most likely you'll be booked, right? So, yeah, let's see. Chat, if you do close above here, you do have room to continue up, right? So, you can look at either one here. 15 looking to flip here. It did make a bottom wick for the 30 as well, which is quite nice. Oh. Okay. Okay, chat. Lots of potential here. Let's see. 2 minutes to the closure. Thing is as well, when you have a trending market like this, you're better off getting in off the retracements. If we can catch a wick, or even like wait for it to tap back into 59 and then take the bias to continue up after that, we can do that easily because essentially, you know, market structure is telling us here that you are going to continue up, right? You're just continuously making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You can catch this low being made, like tap into like 59, and then it continue up. Yeah, we should be good. Don't ever do that again. Ain't allowed here. Big yawn. I'll yawn on my channel whenever I want to yawn on my channel, alright? In fact, you're barred. Both of you, you're out. Never come back. Whoa. Can we see your blue eyes without glasses? Blue eyes. Got 1 hour closing here above the level 2. We've got clean range to push up here towards 2673. We can get a bottom wick here. We might have an entry. Let's see. Lock it in here, chat. 26 seconds till we close. Minute, or you might pop up here, chat, without a bottom wick. To be fair, you have grabbed a lot of liquidity on the 15-minute. I don't want to take it if that's the case. Doesn't look like it wants to make a bottom wick here, chat. Let's see. Can we push down and grab some liquidity? Even just tap into like 67 would be nice. Just to show that we do want to actually grab that liquidity before pushing. But look, the 15, yeah. Might not get it, chat. And it's gone. These days are tough to trade. Can't take it off the rip there either, because also stops are going to be like 70 pips. I don't really want to take that. Let's use the 15 stops, which is possible, but yeah, I don't think this comes back. You didn't break the highs yet though, so let's see if we can grab something here on a bottom wick, because again, you still have no bottom wick on this 1 hour. It should essentially make one at some point. Go gold to all-time high. Then from 26.22. 26.22 is crazy, bro. Good shit. That's insane. The fucking huge trade. Congrats. Chat, listen, drop a like if you haven't already, man. I appreciate you guys for pulling up. Been a big week so far. It's going to be an even bigger month and an even bigger end to the year. So make sure you're locked in with us. Make sure you're in the free Discord. And yeah, man. Chat, what do you guys want to see? You know, what do you guys want to see for the streams and for the channel that could be an improvement? If you guys have any feedback, I always appreciate it. This shit's ripping. Holy fuck. Yeah. 30 pips, that's crazy. Just popped up. Damn, no wick candles. Bro, it's crazy. That was such a clean entry too. But literally nothing you can do, right? Question is now, do you react off 73 here? If you do, you might have some positions for sales. Wasn't there some sort of a 15-minute setup? Yeah, kind of, bro, but like, you still need a bottom wick on that position. You did grab a lot of liquidity on the 15, which is why I was looking at off the rip. But again, off the rip stops would have been like 70 pips, and I just can't take that. Yeah, I just can't take that, bro. Right, back to the meme coins chat. I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm not gonna look at them just yet. What did Bitcoin do? Oh shit. Bitcoin went crazy last night. Nearly 100k. Fair fucking play, bro. What's Solana at? Is this an all-time high? It is, right? Holy shit. Nearly. Oh. Muy bien. On SG, I mean, still bought through Radium. Yeah, bro. Phantom Wallet and Radium, yeah. Good level up there. How you doing, bro? Bro, Solana's going crazy. Due to yesterday's degeneracy, I have a shitload of Solana right now. not a shitload, but a little bit. And in Solana also since 205. Nice. Yo. Yeah, nice. Nice. Chat, gold's ripping. This is tough, bro. Tough. We need a retracement, chat, obviously, right? It'll come. Just be patient. Might be actually this tap into 2669 that you see. That might be your retracement, to be honest. I do think you need to tap into 73.8. The way how we analyze the Forex market, would it be the same in crypto, like the price action we use? Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Crypto's a lot more like market structure as well. Off the gym, all peace out. Catch you in Discord and NY. Alright, KB, in a bit, bro. I actually bought Sol at $9 back in 2023. Bro, I know people that bought Sol at like, yeah, $9, $8. It's crazy. My best crypto purchase ever was yeah, FTM, I think. I bought this shit at 18 cents back in 2021 or 2020. Can't remember which one. I bought it at 18 cents and then rode it all the way up to its all-time high, which was like $3. I bought it. Where did I buy it? One here? Oh, maybe it was like 12 cents. Yeah, February 2021, around that area. And then rode it up to 3.5. That was fucking crazy. Yeah, look at this though. This is one of those things on gold that you just can't really do much with it. Like, you're just pushing without any liquidity. This is just the market pushing us again. Just entering a super bullish market. Well, we're pretty much in a bull market, right? Chat, what I want to see now is if the 15-minute can close here and come down and make a bottom wick for the previous without making a top wick, we can look to take some buys. That will then be like the retrace, the flip. Yeah, you'll be in, you'll have enough room up towards 2673. There's a lot of potential today, chat. A lot of potential. It's just about locking in here. Seeing what we can grab. Chat retracing quite a bit here. What the fuck? This could be good though. Let's see. We could tap into like 69. Yeah, tap into 69 and reject here. We'll look to have some buys maybe on the reflip. Like I said, I think you've got room up towards 73. I can't just place a buy for no reason, right? Again, it's just following simple market structure the entire way up, right? Very interesting. SPY closes no bottom wick. We might take a look. Crypto seems more risky than gold. Yeah, crypto is definitely more risky than gold, bro. Crypto is probably the riskiest market you can be in. You can lose everything, right? Five-minute close here in about 13 seconds. Bro, if you could close no bottom wick, that'd be so clean. Didn't, so we know, chat. But now 15-minute close in here shortly. Next 5-minute candle will be the 15-minute close, so we can take a look at that for sure. Saw a 13-year-old dumping a meme coin. Yeah, bro. And then the community took it over and ripped it up, which was crazy. Fucking insane, honestly. And if he didn't dump it, it would have made him like 3 mil. To be fair, I think he made like 30k. Need the 15 to close right here, right now. Yeah. I'd like to see either us come down and tap into this area or like a bullish close on the 5. Yeah, wait 1 sec. I'll be back in literally 2 seconds. fucking mute. My bad. What I was saying was, crazy. What I was saying was, if this 5 minute can close bullish here, we can potentially look at taking some buys to continue up towards the top of this range right now. Stops will be safe below there, to be honest. Otherwise, chat, it depends what we do, but you look like you might flip here. Interesting. Good prestige. I'm chilling, bro. Still mute? No, I'm not. You're not gonna get me that easy, new notes. Wait, was that? Yeah. Ripping down here, chat. If you can close no bottom wick here on this 15-minute candle, we'll look to take some buys to continue up. There's so much volume right now. It's just entered the market. This is crazy. Alright, let's see here, chat. What are we going to do? What's good now? How's it going, man? This is ripping down. Holy shit. Oh, it left a wick as well. That's so tough. That was no bottom wick, chat. That would have been so clean, but you left a wick here. Can't take that now, unfortunately. 15 closed bearish, yeah, like with a wick, which is difficult. How do I change the colors on my MT5 to match the ones on you're using on your charts? Right click on the background and click properties, and then you can change the colors. I just left mine on MT5, to be honest, but it's green and red, but actually might not be a bad shout to do that too. Yeah, I might do that. Do like this, no? Interesting. That looks weird as fuck to me, but I'll take it. My candle bodies are white, then my wicks are red and green. Oh, I hate that. Nah, I could not do that, bro. That's tough. Chat, look at this though. So you are pushing down here after tapping into the level. So if you do close bearish on like the 30-minute or something, we can look at taking a fake out to come back down here and fill the range. Otherwise, chat, if you can reflip here on this 30-minute or 15-minute or whatever and close bullish on... Yeah, if you close bullish on the next 15 or even a 5, chat, we could look to take some buys to continue up, expecting this to be just a higher low being made, right? As long as you don't break this low. But like I said, it depends on the next closure, I'd say, to be honest. All comes down to this next closure, but it looks like we want to rip down here. A lot of potential today, chat. Stay locked in here, stay focused. Definitely not a time to dip off. If you've got a, you're hungry, make sure you get some food right now. Get back to the charts ASAP. Get yourself a coffee or some shit and lock in with us. Because, yeah, off this closure, there's a lot of potential. Like, you see how many times we've closed above and then back below on the 30 and ripped down? Happens quite a lot here. Like, you see something like this, you see this here. You know, a closure like this pushes us back down. Same here. Same here. Want to buy a Mooncat? Buy the Mooncat whenever. Log into my Soul wallet to click buy. Some kind of power stop to my mind. No way, bro. That's crazy. Good shit, FNAM. Yeah, stay out of the meme coins, bro. They're dangerous. Chat, look, breaking the low here. It looks like you might want to come back down a little bit further. It's interesting. Unless you start to reject, obviously, but definitely interesting here. It's all going to come down to these next few closures here. The 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute. believe we'll be able to grab some positions on one of the like one of those closures basically. I don't see why not. See what we can do, chat. Let's see. Yeah, when you see closures like this that have no, like, essentially, it's kind of no bottom wick, but also has a bottom wick. On the 15-minute, that's like basically a hammer candle. This technically should reject, but a lot of the time it can just be the fact that you've got such bearish volume that you actually do want to continue down. So you have to decide whether or not, like when you're trying to take the trend play, you know, you have to decide whether or not it's no bottom wick, which is no more range, or it's no bottom wick, meaning so much bearish volume that you're just going to continue back down, right? I tend to say, like, if you're just really ripping with high volume, I sort of avoid those plays and wait for either like a wick down and then a flip. Like this candle flipped now, and this previous one had no bottom wick. I'd look to take buys to continue up, right? But obviously it hasn't flipped, and this one did have a bottom wick, so that's like negated. But yeah, it's all about like those little tiny details that actually matter quite a lot, to be honest, chat. Some words of wisdom for you there. Good job. How's it going, brother? How's it going, man? Get the wardrobe organized, dark to lights. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I definitely don't have the fucking effort all the time to do that. What's up, Sammy? It's Joshua. I just had a makeover. What's good, bro? How you doing, Mr. Joshua? No shot I'm organizing a wardrobe dark to light. When my girl gets here, she can do that. Yeah. She just do it like without asking as well. I don't know, they like doing that sort of thing, but fuck that. I'm not doing that. No way. The trip? Yeah, really good, bro. Really good, man. The vlog will be coming out this Friday for it, right? So, oh, that's tomorrow. Shit. The vlog will be out tomorrow then for the Italy trip. So, make sure you don't miss that if you want to know how my trip was. It was pretty fucking sick. As well as that, I have some updates with like the playbook in there, the course, the clothing brand, all of that sort of stuff. So definitely not one to miss. Should be a sick vlog too, I'm not gonna lie. I'm excited for it. I'm excited for it a lot. Now, chat though, you got 8 minutes here to the 30-minute close. So the question is here, can you close bearish on the 30-minute back into the range? If you do that, are you gonna rip back down? Realistically, it could be one of two things here. This could be a fake out and then like another fake out to push back up, or this could be that reversal that we're looking at and, you know, the pullback that we needed, because gold is ripped up here without much structure whatsoever. You have grabbed a few bottom wicks, but you don't have much structure. And in the past, when you've done that and tapped into 67 here, you've rejected. You've rejected at least towards like 65. A lot of the times, like a lot further down, to be honest. So with that, we'll obviously see what opportunities present themselves. Yeah, it's all about opportunity, right? And knowing when to take advantage of opportunity, like the Memecoin thing yesterday, right? Regardless of whether it's degenerate or not, that was an opportunity. Yeah, that was an opportunity to make money. Some people took it, some people didn't, and you know, if you didn't take it, it doesn't mean that you're a shit entrepreneur or whatever. It means, like, you know, you have to have a risk tolerance. There has to be, you know, an opportunity for you to lose money. And there's also, you know, when you see, like, chat, that opportunity yesterday was fucking ridiculous. Especially if you got in early on, like, Chill Guy. The people who spotted that trend early, like, I didn't even spot it that early, because Chill Guy and the Huz and everything were crazy. But I got in the next day, and still the opportunity was ridiculous. It's just like anything though. Anything in life, you got to take opportunities when they present themselves. But yeah, chat, listen, we're growing like crazy as a community. I can't believe how far we've come in just like 11 months, basically, 10 months. Fucking insane. Imagine, you know, when we've been here for like 5 years, how that shit's gonna go. It's gonna be fucking ridiculous, chat. So you guys are all early. If this was Bitcoin, you'd be in at like $10. So make sure you know, tell your friends. You know that guy that was like, who made the video saying, please buy Bitcoin at $1. Go tell your friends, please buy trend lines at whatever it is. 5k subs. You know what I mean? Yeah, trust me, like, I see this shit going nuclear. Gonna be on a yacht in 5 years. Bro, I reckon next year, or maybe the year afterwards. TRLS on a yacht? Yeah, 100%, bro. I'm gonna read out that second one. Nothing wrong with the canoe. Bro. TRLS yacht, yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Imagine like a yacht with TRLS on the side. Wait, let me do this. Do I still have ChatGPT Pro? My deal with Latina is crazy. Crazy. None for SG though here, man of God. I'm indeed. Good, Jordy. How's it going, brother? Yeah, 3 minutes into the 30-minute close. Focus up here. Lock it in. So much opportunity here. I want to see what we do. You can flip down here. You could definitely catch some nice sells. Yo. Yeah, what are we saying? Not the TRLS yacht. Not the TRLS yacht here, chat. Surely that goes hard. That's sick. No way, make an offer. It's generated. TRLS Titanic? No, don't call it don't name it after the Titanic, bro. Fuck that. We're not gonna sink. We're not trying to sink. I'm gonna legit turn our sessions into relationship advice calls, bro. I need help. Alright, I got you, bro. I'm actually fucking sick of that. There's a UFO as well, I saw that. 2675 loading. Maybe, bro. We'll see. We'll see. I want to see how you close here on this next 15-minute candle. What Titanic said? Yeah, trust me. That's why I don't want to call it after that. Go on the 5. Yeah, 5's starting to push back up, which is interesting. But you did make another low, which is the only thing I'm concerned about here. Like, you broke this low. What's good, Ashwin? How's it going, bro? Welcome, man. Chat. 1 minute, 40 seconds here. I'm going to need a top wick first if we're going to get sales, right? I wanted to see a mirror of these moves though. Like every time you close back into this range, you do fill it downwards. All right, every single time. Like you close back into the range, you fill it all the way back down. Close back into the range, fill it down. Close back into the range, fill it down. Here as well, here as well, here as well. Every single time you close back into 2667, you filled it to the bottom. And that would also be a good retracement towards 2659 here. That would be where I'd be looking to get some buys off of as well. So let's see here, chat. I want to see us close bearish on this 5 too, or like doji even. 40 seconds to the closure here. Lock it in. So much potential right now. So much. Can we open with a top wick here? That's the main thing. We can. Like a little bit of a bigger one, to be fair though. I have a sell stop on this 30-minute flip here. Expecting you to push back down here if you do flip on this 30-minute candle. You have a wick fill here which gives you 10 pips. I'm looking to mirror this move here to the left. Stops will be up here for like 60. Take profit down here to the bottom of the range for also 60. So let's see. It's only a sell stop, by the way. I'm not activated just yet. Because this candle has to flip, right? If it doesn't flip, obviously, then you don't get activated, and that's the whole point. But I'm not taking a wick entry here. If the 1 hour starts to reflip here and you get closures above, then obviously we'll look to delete. But now you've tapped into the level. Should be good to go. Could actually probably move the stops to current candle high too. Once we flip, we'll take a look at doing that. I want to see it flip like ASAP, right? I don't want to see 5-minute closures. I don't want to see... Well, 5-minute closures is okay, but I don't want to see anything like major. 15 or whatever. Are we going to flip here, chat? 5 minutes, 2 minutes into this candle, this is where you'd start to expect it to flip if it was going to flip and drive. Okay, maybe I just spoke it into existence. I think, to be honest, what we'll do is we'll probably have our stops at the break of that high now. I'm going to be quite aggressive with managing this as well, to be honest. I think realistically you should tap into like 63 though. But let's see what the structure does here. If the structure starts to print bullish, like market structure, then we'll look to delete, but... yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think it has to be this 5. Depends how the 5 closes. If the 5 closes like weak bullish and you get a top wick on the next one, then yeah, we'll take a look at leaving it. But realistically, you should be good to drive here. Especially like look at the way this 5 actually closed in the end. You gonna trade meme coins? Yeah, I'm gonna take a look after gold. Just give me a sec here. I'll take a little look, but I'm not you know. Okay, you got 1 minute to the 5-minute close, chat. If you don't flip on this 5, I'll probably look to delete. I'd like to see a... Yeah. Because especially if you respect this, right? If you come down and close like bullish, but respecting below. PGR prison sentence? Why? What happened to TJR? You looking for something that's flat and hasn't had a breakout yet? Nah, I'd look for something that's new, pretty much. Bro was pumping up in all day yesterday. Yeah, I know he was, bro. Fucking crazy. Alright, chat, I'm gonna delete this stop here right now. Deleting this sell stop. I don't like that it's come down bottom wick first. Delete, delete, delete. Made a dirty amount, is it? That's fucking crazy, bro. I mean, fair play, right? That's what you gotta do with meme coins. You gotta, like, get out, but you can't dump on your followers. That's, like, the worst. In the video, the kid doing the rug? No, I haven't seen it. Sam, what do you think about instant funding firm? I'm not the biggest fan, bro. I'm not the biggest fan. I don't see the point in instant funding. Anyone promoting instant funding is probably making quite a bit of money out of you too. Like, you can get good deals with instant funding. Like, for the affiliate side, I've been offered some really good deals there as well. Think about it though, you get a 50 or 60% profit split. You get, basically, you have to pay like $1,000 or whatever for not much capital at all. Most of the time you have to make like 10% before you get a payout, before you get back to normal. And the rules are so strict that most people aren't making 10%. So I'd rather just like, if you've got $1,000 to buy an instant funding account, just just put it in a fucking MT5 live account, like a personal account. The mirror of the 4-hour closing 1 hour later than usual. Trading view, it looks like it. Yeah. Yeah, what the fuck? He did just flip here. We would have got activated right now. But I don't really like it too much. And also, why is the 4-hour closing an hour later than normal? Anyone know, chat? That's that wick fill though. You'd be break even right now, right? Oh, no wonder. Interesting, bro. What the fuck? Chat, you did end up pushing down here, like we said. On the futures chart or something? No, I'm on FXCM. I have to go back to Rwanda then. Wait, XAU USD. Rwanda. Oh yeah, bro, that's so weird. Daylight saving, where you been? No, bro. It's been back to normal for ages. Yo, why are my ranges the same? That's from when we were back here, chat. Like, ages ago. Holy shit. That's the last time I used the Wanda. Alright, let me just do my levels right now on here as well. Where did we have? How do I add this to the watch list? I always forget how to add this shit. 56.59, 67, 73.8. 6, 50, wait, what, 59? Am I tripping? TRS was publicly traded, that'd be sick. Bro, that'd be so fucking cool, right? So cool. The levels look so different here. I'm gonna have to redo an analysis, I can't lie. Look at this 5 though, like that's why I don't like this at all. Plus you would have just hit break even there. At any given point this could just rip back up. Let me redo an analysis though for the Oanda chart, because I don't like that the fact the 4 hour looks like an hour later. So chat, on the 4 hour, right, you're essentially in a big range between, I would say, 26.49 and up here towards 26.76, which is what we discussed earlier. Now, again, you should come in and tap into 76 at some point, or at least I would say into 70. Already tapped into that, about like 73, where you should tap into. Again, you're closing bullish into this range, and you do have essentially another minor level here as well. Where 26.65. So chat, if you can close above 26.65 on the 4 hour, we'll essentially look to take the buys upwards, expecting that the 15-minute just retraced here. Yeah, especially if this 15 can now close bullish here, chat. That'd be rather nice. Yeah, this could be interesting, chat. That's exactly where you'd want to see a retracement to, right? Towards like 26.63. Look like you've just done. I don't like the Oanda charts. Do not like that. But they're so choppy. Or is it just me? Either way, right? So you do have your levels here. And the main thing is, once you close into this range, especially if you close on the 4 hour into this range, you should realistically expect to fill the range upwards, right? So I believe we can tap into 26, 73, 77. You know, you got a lot of room. You're quite bullish as well today. It might be one of those days where gold just decides just to rip up. Look at XAU. What is that? XAUT. What is XAUT? What is this, bro? What you told me to take a look at? That's the most degenerate shit I've seen. What are you trading here? That's fucking insane. Chat, listen, anyway. Drop a like if you guys haven't already. 15-minute flipping again. This is very interesting, chat. Very indecisive price action right now from Mr. Gold. But like we said, right, if you tap into this level and start to reject here, what is XAUT USD? Is it just like a crypto version or some bullshit? I have no idea. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah, I think we've got some room here though. Our levels are very different on the 4 hour to what they are on like the lower time frames, right? Which is why these levels might look a bit weird. If you look on the 30 and the 1, these levels look strange, but in reality, on the 4 hour, this is like the main level here. For me at least. You can close above there, you should be nice to go. Especially if you can react off this area right now. After tapping into this high here, XAU trend lines. Fire. I like it. Better bring up JP. Yeah, get that guy on the phone. Yeah, 1 minute here till a 15-minute close. How are we gonna close here? 5 minutes started to reject. Not really a strong rejection though, it's a bit of a weak one. Those rejections when it's struggling to like actually move, that's the ones where you're like, okay, maybe this continues a little bit further down. Maybe that's just a little pullback. But you are respecting the support, which is great. You might need a liquidity grab below. Obviously, I can't really take anything right here. The 15-minute looks like it's going to close bearish still, which means we might still look to retrace a little bit further. But with that being said, chat, you know, you've got a 4-hour close coming in about 15 minutes, so you got a lot of opportunity for that. Should bring you some good positions here. Oh, now this, chat, this is interesting. I might look to attempt some buys here. This 5 minute can grab another bottom wick. Oh no, wait, it's going to close no top wick. Actually going to close no top wick. Oh no, it didn't. You might see this push up here. It might go without us. No FOMO if it does. I needed a bottom wick, but this looks like it might reject here. That might be the low, to be fair. That might be the low that you make. Yeah, that's interesting, chat. That might have been the low. So what we can do here, chat, is we can either wait for a next 5 minute candle. Oh, you rejected. Interesting. Can you make a big bottom wick here? Seriously looking into buying more Tesla stock? Do it, gang. Why not? If you can make a bottom wick and reflip on this 15-minute chat, we can look to take some buys, because I think, especially with the 1 hour looking the way it is, should have some room to push back up. Four hour looks interesting there. A few things playing in my mind right now, right? We are obviously bearish on the 1 hour, and also the 4 hours closing shortly. You revert the lows too, did you? Nearly. Anyone bought Trendcoin yet? Bro, there actually is a Trendcoin. I think a lot of people made a lot of money on it, but then it ripped back down. Hey, let me find that. What's good there, Matt? How you doing, bro? Dex tools. Hey, it's here. Wait, I had it. Holy shit. When was that? Putting a TRLS coin right now, rug pull on SG's name? No. No, please. Holy shit, so someone made a shitload of money on much is that? It's a quick 10x on Trendcoin, and then back to normal. Insane. Yeah, it broke the lows here. Might do exactly what we said it would do and just come back down and tap into 59. 4 hour looking to flip as well, potentially. Down 20% on trend, holding to the moon. Crazy. That goes back to all-time highs, bro. You're chilling. Chilling, man. Yo, so much opportunity to make money here, chat. It's funny as fuck. It's literally crazy, but you gotta be careful, right? Only risk money you can afford to lose, essentially. 150 mil market cap on trend, trust me. Oh. No way. Cat. We got a fake trend lines TikTok. We made it. We made it, bro. That's a W. Hey, good shit, Jar. Nice play for you last night, mate. Holding up cash? Nah, I'm fully cash, bro. I'm out of everything. Cashed out at like 1.3k. It was yeah, good feeling. Just like, bro, especially because I was just sat here chilling and thought, fuck it. Like 300 squids in. Came out with a lot more squids. Good high life. How's it going, man? Chat, 10 minutes to the 4 hour close here. So, I don't know why it's not closing on... I don't know why you're not closing above here. Sorry, not closing above. I don't know why the 4 hours not closing at the right time on fucking FXCM. I've got no clue why. I need a meme coin I can put 50 bucks into right now. Anyone have any recommendations? Go to my TikTok and go and look in the comments at what most people are putting. So I'm seeing what am I seeing, bro? There's loads of ones. R moment, like AHH, I show meat, Black Friday coin, mango, viral. Loads of stuff, bro. What else? Dub. Go find, like, basically go and get this dude out of here, shitty ass coin. I show meat is crazy, I know, yeah. Bro, if you want to actually put money in here, then obviously just be careful, but go and find something that's like a lot of people are posting on TikTok, and then go and look at the chart first before you buy it. That's literally it. Alright, man. Chat, we've got... How long? Yo, this is mad. 8 minutes here to the 4 hour close, chat. If this 30-minute close is bullish, chat, we'll be in. Yo, no beef in the chat. Come on now. This Trendlines guy's posting like every 10 seconds he's posting a thing on my fucking... Let me block this guy. How do I can't even block him. Oh yeah, block. There you go. Can I report him? Yeah, nice. Report account. Tends to be someone. Me. Submit. Done. Perfect. 73? Yeah, maybe. I think 73 is possible to be tapped. I'm not gonna lie. Very, very possible that we tap 73 right now because yeah, you're essentially, you've grabbed some liquidity here. You've had a pullback. 30 minute now, essentially, if you close bullish on this 30 minute, that might be clean to go here. It might be all systems go. We need a bottom wick, but at the same time, I think we might have already grabbed the liquidity. How big are the stops on the 4 hour? Fucking big, right? That's 100 pips. We can use this area here for stops. If you break that low, you're pretty much gone, right? So yeah, that's all right. That's not too bad. Let's see how we close here, chat. About 6 minutes time. Hopefully I'm not late. You're not, my friend. Sweet. I'm buying. Don't just buy just because I said. Wait for the closure at least. Sweet geezer. Funny, bro. On YouTube comments, I always see ads about XAI. I've got no clue what that is, bro. I always just see that guy, that fucking, his name, Greg Secker. The adverts have worked as well because I know his name, which is the worst thing, but he's... I just made 33,000 on my new AI trading tool. Like, okay, bro. I'm just sat here on my boat. I just went for my morning run, or my morning swim, he says. Who swims in the morning as well? It's fucking gay. Anyway. I've just been for my morning swim, get back to the charts and see we're up a nice and tidy 33k profit. Like, bro, shush. You don't trade. That's an AI trading bot, like a fucking idiot. Who does that shit? Who believes that an AI trading bot's gonna work as well? Told by a guy like that is like, bro. Alright, specs. Whoa. It's uncalled for. Don't delete your message. If you're gonna say something bad, you gotta back it. Say it with chest. If you're gonna try and do a little insult, say it with chest, my boy. Whoa, that one is getting you a timeout, my boy. Unfortunately, I can't tolerate this. Chat, can we see a pullback here? Ah, bro, you got a sick snipe there, I can't lie. Good shit. Missed his comment? Good. Good. Got 5 minute closed here. Bro, this shit's ripping. Yeah, this looks good to go though. Let's see what we can do here. Every day the banter gets closer to bullying. There's no bullying around here. You couldn't bully me if you tried, bro. I'd kick you out. I'll do the classic. It's my ball, I'm taking it home. You guys can't play anymore. I'll end the stream. Bro, so many kids used to do that at school. My football, I'm taking it home. Okay, chat. 3 minutes into the close. Can we get a position here? I think there's a lot of potential. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already as well. Try to get to 50 likes. Yeah, try to get to 50 likes on today's stream. That'd be huge. Yeah, what do we reckon? 1K on TikTok by the end of the day? I literally only started posting on TikTok a while ago. Play tag gets tagged then says you were never playing. Bro, that was a classic. I'm not playing. There you go. I'm playing again. Bro, I forgot about that. You just reminded me of that. That's so fucking funny. Alright, chat. Look, 4-hour closure here. 2 minutes. Can we get... Bro, I think it might be a long shot, but if we can get a bottom wick, tapping back into this level, we'll be in off the rip. Do some YouTube shorts, gym content to try and get some more subs. Nah, bro. I don't really need gym like people in here. I want to make it like trading related because like subs is okay, but like having subs that don't watch your content is actually worse than having no subs. So you have to make sure they're targeted towards your audience, you know. Yeah, can we pull back here, man? Need a pullback right now. I can't take shit if we don't pull back here. 1 hour looks clean as well, chat. Especially if you close doji like this. That's super nice. Oh shit, bro. This is gonna go. This is gonna be like yesterday, chat. Classic gold. Goes without us, eh? Definitely on track for that 73. Yeah, I believe so, bro. I believe so. 75, 77 maybe. I think 73 is like the most realistic target, or you might reject. Overall, yeah, you can probably continue up. In fact, this 4 hours super clean as well. You have a range on the 4 till 77. Just need to see a pullback. That's literally it. Can we leave a wick? Because the 1 hour just flipped. 1 hour did just flip for a second there. Wow. Yeah, I think it might be upper rip here. I think it might be upper rip, I'm not gonna lie. You should look at buying, selling for previous salaries, depending on... Ah, bro. 30 hella ugly. Not bad, bro. 30's alright. The 1 hour's clean, 4 hours clean. I think you might pop here. 30 close, basically no top wick. Okay, can we make a bottom wick here? If we can break this low, you should be able to come down a little bit further here, but I don't expect a massive bottom wick. You grabbed a lot of liquidity previously. Hey, chat, I'm gonna take a buy right now. I think this is gonna pop up here. Got buys here. Break this high. If it comes down and makes a bottom wick, that's fine. Like, that's just more confluence, right? I think we got room to push up. Grabbed so much liquidity last time as well. Stop's gonna be below that level there. Down at 26.63 for like 56 pips. Take profit's gonna be at 26.76, to be honest. Let me see a pop. Alright, chilling here. Made a bottom wick. It's good. Yeah, once this reflips and breaks its own high, you should be good to go. My stops in. And my take profit up here. Perfect. Let's see, chat. Once you reflip and break the highs, you should see a pop. This wick fill to the left is going to be our break even, most likely. 1 minute no bottom wick is nice. I want to see this fly though, to be honest. Go boys, good luck. Yeah, I mean, look, if it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So be it. This is still, you know, part of my strategy. An entry from the playbook. Or needs a top wick if it's going to drive down anyway, right? I wouldn't expect it to just rip all the way down. Yo, I need to plug my phone in. Holy shit. I close partials. Yeah, the 4 hour has so much room here. 1 hour grabbed a shitload of liquidity. Look at that. Like, you grabbed so much liquidity there. I don't expect this to push back down. 15 minutes looks clean. Kill time, what do you think about Linguini Memecoin? It's good and it's another TikTok meta. Let me see, bro. Real quick. I'm gonna manage this trade, right? But let me look at Linguini real quick. Market cap's 49k, bro. Holy shit. That's just gonna rip. Yeah, maybe, bro. Maybe. You could buy now and have a stop below here. Yeah, can we close no bottom wick on this 5? I see that one pop in. I appreciate you looking at it. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad, to be fair. 49 market cap's crazy as well. I'm gonna buy from 30-minute order block, 26.64. Good shit, bro. Oh, that's an order block. That's why we rejected it. Crazy. 5-minute pushing up top wick first is not the best for us, to be honest. But again, the trade's based off like the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Like, look at this shit. You might feel the wick, but I would expect us to push up here more than anything. Look how much liquidity you grab, chat. Alright, 5 made a bottom wick and reflip, which is good. So once this breaks its own high, like once the 1 hour breaks its own high again, you should be good to drive. Volume has died off a little bit, which is not ideal. You do need a little bit more volume. I'd like to see this 5 push up, close bullish. If you can do that, that'd be great. Realistically, like I said, the 4 hour shouldn't rip all the way down without a top wick. You should see at least a liquidity grab. It's also got a wick fill to the upside to do. Gives you like 27 pips or something. Leverage trading on crypto is not ideal, bro. Very, very risky. A lot of people blow most of their money. The leverage is ridiculously high. Yeah, the magnet. All right, let's stick it on. I'll spin this shit. Let me spin this coupe. All right, there you go. Let's see what happens here, man. Almost some structure, which is good. If you can break up above here, look bullish on a couple of 1 minute, 5 minute candles, etc. Should be good to go. 5 minute has just opened though, so at any point this could flip down, but for a gun and hold it at gunpoint, crazy. Look at the blow strategy. Yeah, trust me. Bro, the magnet's funny as fuck. I like that. Yeah, you need some closures here. The 1 minute close, no top wick as well. That's why you fucking just did that. That's tough. That 1 minute no top wick's not ideal, but we'll see. You taking the piss with this magnet or what? Yeah, of course, bro. Of course. Just a joke. Okay, so we flip down here. Yeah, remember, manage risk appropriately, right? If we take a loss in this trade, it's not my responsibility, unfortunately. Yeah, I can't take responsibility for any of that shit. You know, if we take a win, you get the glory, and if we take a loss, you have to take personal responsibility for it. But out in time. W, bro. Good, Max. What do you mean not your responsibility? I just bet my house on this? Uh-oh. Hopefully we can get you 2 houses. My trust in you here is crazy. I'm gonna go jump off a cliff then. You have to go follow me. Alright. Yeah, wait, am I stopped in the right place? Yeah. Whoa. What's good, Bilal? What's good, what's good? Yeah, if we can get like a 5-minute no bottom wick, that might be nice. In my opinion, this is still a 4-hour bottom wick, right? Question is, how far does the 4-hour bottom wick need to come? You have a personal RI you try to stick to? No, bro. I just let the trade and the market dictate what my risk to reward is going to be. Only concern here is you failed to make a new high right now. So if you make another low, then you're pretty fucked. But let's see, chat. 8 seconds here. Or if this 5 decides to close no bottom wick. Oh, it's not going to do that, is it? Bro, what? That pulled back in like a second. That would have been so nice. A lot of bearish volume right now, which is interesting. Might have got some sniper drawdown here. Might have hit that sniper DD. Let's see, chat. Let's see what the move is here. Trade's still valid, right? If it wasn't valid, I wouldn't be in. Yo. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna take another buy right now, I think. Wait. I wanna see some confirmation first. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna take another buy right here. Yo, what the fuck? I legit just got slipped about 6 pips. How the fuck is that possible? Take another buy right there though, chat. Crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna close. Oh wait, I'm closing full at both positions here at a 10 pip profit. So congratulations on that one. That shit's gonna rip though, but congrats. Chat, close full there on both positions for an overall 10 pip profit. Fucking crazy trade. Holy shit, that, bro. I got slipped like crazy there. What the fuck? That was weird, man. Bro, this is clean to run though, I'm not gonna lie. How did I get slipped so much? That's fucking crazy. Literally 6 pips. This might flip and run here, to be fair. YouTube, Perfect Trade Management, thank you, Joe. I appreciate that, bro. The fucking sniper entry, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I got slipped on the exit there as well. slipped on the exit. Do it. Yeah. I want to watch this 15-minute close because I think we might be able to layer back in here. Pineapple, yeah, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. That was such a clean position there. Such a clean position. 15-minute breakout, yeah, that's what I'm going to look for. If this 15-minute can just close above, we'll be in again, but... Bro. I feel like I seem a bit shocked right now, and I am, because that's never happened to me before. That was so weird. I was like gobsmacked then. I was like, what the fuck's going on? I've never ever been slipped like badly on the broker, and I've also never been slipped on the exit too. But chat is what it is, right? Came up with a 10 pip profit on that anyway. Yeah, wow. Funny as fuck. Alright, let me put that on. 51 wins. Yeah, the push-up volume was crazy. That was such a clean entry as well. I didn't even see this 1 minute no bottom wick, but that's what it was. At the level too. 15 close respecting. Holy fucking shit. Alright chat, well, look, we moved there. That's a W either way. I didn't want to let that run just in case it was liquidity. Yeah, it was possible that it was, right? Very, very possible that it was. The 4 hour looks good though. You did start to flip here. That was your advantage point, to be honest. That was your advantage point. I'm gonna wait for the next 30 though. I think there's so much potential here. Chat, listen, no pip, bro. We got some pip and dippers. If you're gonna pip and dip, just drop a like before you leave. But I'm still looking for some more trades here. I'm still looking for some more potential. Bro. That was fucking crazy. What would we have seen if we held? 32. Yeah, I think we would have got like 32, but again, not complaining at all. Especially when that shit happens, bro. Shit's crazy. I don't take your trades, but just watch the stream. Alright, Ricky, that's fine, bro. Not a problem, gang. Well, like, yeah, bro, I think a lot of people are here for the vibes. It's sick. I don't mind that at all, right? Some people come to learn, some people come to take the trades as well as learn, some people just come for the vibes, and some people come for all three. But as long as you're here showing some love, you're always welcome. You meet the mafia in Italy? I think I went, bro. Actually, I don't want to say that. Joking. Yeah, it's a sick community, not gonna lie. I appreciate that, Matri. It means a lot, bro. It means a lot. 10 pips win and you are done for the day. You have a lot of capital. I'm always hunting for more than 40 pips because my capital is small. I'm not done for the day, bro. I'm not done for the day. I'm still looking for more right now. I'm looking for another position here. But yeah, I mean, it depends, right? But yeah, I mean, 10 pips is 10 pips is a good enough salary for me, to be honest, every day. So I don't need anything crazy. Does NY come on? Bro, I think there's a lot of opportunity right now. There's so much fucking volume. Yeah, I'm definitely not done for the day. I'm going to wait for the next 30 closure here in about 12 minutes. But yeah, if we don't get anything on the next 30, I'll probably call it. That was interesting as fuck. That was like so fucking volatile. You spend any of your YouTube checks yet? Bro, I don't make much money off YouTube. I think I make like $100 a month or something. Like nothing crazy. So I guess Not really. Maybe not even that, like $70 or something. 75 pending. I thought I was a fraud. Mr. Prince, he called me a fraud because it wasn't going to 76. Just yes or no, YouTube checks should go to NFP. No. They're not going to NFP. I'm a dip. See you in NY. Maybe if not, then tomorrow. All right, Levi, in a bit, bro. In a bit, man. I've never seen a push up that quick, chat. I've actually never seen a push up that quick. Like 35 pips in a minute. Oh, that was like a news candle, basically. All right, cool. Yeah, chat, also make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you're in the free Discord. Massively important that you jump in there. Such a good community, such a, like, you know, crazy helpful and valuable community in there. As well as that, you got the free playbook, which is essentially what I'm using to take all these plays, all these entries that we've taken throughout the year. And yeah. So much free value here, man. Only concern now is that you're struggling at this this little level here that you've made on the 15 and the 30 at 26.68. So I need to see a closure above there before I jump in anything else. If you can do that in the next 10 minutes, that'd be ideal. Otherwise, a little bit difficult, chat. Looked, I thought it was NY already. I don't even know why I thought that. Crazy, bro. I've had that shit before though. I remember like in a couple of NY streams, I thought it was London. I forgot that I'd already done a London stream. Maybe you didn't have a stake today? Yeah, maybe that's why, bro. Chat, there's so much fucking potential today, wow. So much potential. So listen, stay locked in with us. I'll be back for New York as well in about 3 hours, 2.5 hours. So obviously if we don't catch anything in the next like 10 minutes here, I'll be back for New York. Otherwise, well, you love me, it's crazy. Yeah, otherwise, look, I'll be trading in signals all day today. I'll also be looking at some meme coins later, maybe. But yeah, let's see what we can do. Yo, wait, is TJ actually getting sued? The 5-minute flipping? Yeah, if that flips, it's interesting, bro. I thought that guy was joking earlier when he said TJ was getting sued. Crazy, bro. I was talking to a lawyer and shit. Why is there so much resistance here? We just seem to have made a level, right? Like, I'm sure there'll be something to the left, but we just seem to have made an area here at 68. Yeah, you have some minor resistances here. But again, sometimes you can just create these levels, create these resistance areas, and you know, you struggle to break through them. But once you do break through it, what it means is most likely we're just consolidating here. We had a big Had a big liquidity grab down here. A big push up, sorry, as well. Now you might just start to consolidate, and you might need to come down even further and grab more liquidity because you failed to break through. Are NFTs still a thing? Yeah, I presume they're still a thing, bro, but like, I don't know if many people making much money off of it. News later on as well. Yeah, you got unemployment claims later, right? What's good, Rainmaker? Yeah, good stuff, bro. Yeah, there is news later, you're right. Look for some meme coins. What's good, Petra? Yeah, we can actually wait, let me see. Let's wait for this 30-minute close, and then in 5 minutes I'll look at some meme coins. I might jump back in. Wait, how's my... I think it might be game over for the meme coin saga, chat. I think it might be game. Might send like $50 back to my Solana wallet and jump in a coin or two. Fun, right? Right, I don't really want to tell you guys about it though, because that shit's so shady. You're most likely going to lose money, right? That all of a sudden a big hype about meme coins, bro. This is what's crazy. So literally, you guys seen the chill guy meme on TikTok and Instagram, right? That meme took off. Someone made a coin, and then just the power that TikTok has as a platform decided to make it trend. It got 380 million market cap within a few days. Oh no, within a day or something. Everyone's saying Toad. Yeah, I've seen Toad, bro. Didn't I look at that earlier? Look at my comments here. Yeah, AHH is one. I Show Meat is apparently gonna go to the moon. Balkan Breakfast. Crazy, bro. Let's take a look. Let's take a dive. So the ones that I'm seeing here are Toad. Is that the one that looked good earlier? No, isn't this already... Yeah, it's already at 6 mil market cap. That's too big. That's got no room to move. Linguini. Bro, what was that earlier? 50 market cap? Oh, it stayed the same. That one actually could run. Or... There's one. It's already at 2 mil market cap though, but that is ripping, to be fair. It's already up 10x. I'm not gonna jump in on that one. Bro, Linguini. Can't lie. Linguini. Might be the one. I'll start posting about Linguini. I'm getting so many, bro. Simp. Go. Bro, don't tell me there's... I Show Meat. Yo, that shit is fucking ripping. Yo. Can't lie. Buy some I Show Meat. That's either gonna go to the fucking moon or it's gonna go to 0 very, very fast. One or the other. How is this shit at 38k market cap? That's fucking crazy. Alright, fuck it. It's definitely gonna go to 0, by the way, chat. I'm just playing with a tiny bit of profit. It's like literally like 20 bucks. The bubble? Of course it's a bubble, bro. Yeah, of course it's a bubble. You have to just be smart and not be an idiot with it. Like, bro, a lot of these people will go all in with everything, right? I've already made like 1k. I made 1k profit last night and it's already all taken out. I have like 50 bucks left in the account. And that's it. Think about slaving. I haven't fucking heard of that shit, bro. But like, don't be stupid, right? Firstly, don't risk money that you can afford to lose. I put $300 in because I don't really care if I lose $300, right? And I'm not recommending anyone do this. You're better off trading gold, right? It closes in a minute here. Let me just see what that does. On gold. Bro. But yeah, the whole thing's a fucking bubble, of course. But you have to know how to play it, right? I believe Xauusd is a fucking coin that's going around. What do you see here, chat? Let's use our trading knowledge right now. Right? I'm just seeing higher highs and higher lows being made. That's all I see. It's a nice little buy entry right here. Little liquidity grab on the 5-minute. If it goes to a mil market cap, that's a 30x. Doesn't give a fuck about structure, bro. I'm actually not being funny. It does care about structure. It actually does. That 30 minutes cooked on gold though. You're in this choppy little range right now. I don't want to trade that, to be honest. I'm not really interested at all in trading that. Warning, heads up, we've detected audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Whoa, what? Just got a notification from YouTube. Stream may be temporarily blocked. Yo. Right, let me change this shit. That's not good. Got me cooked. Look at this. Heads up, we've detected audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. Fine. Bro, I'm jumping in Xauusd. That's fucking crazy to say. I'm going full port on Xauusd right now. I'm joking. Don't do that shit. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm gonna make a TikTok about this shit there. Are both hands on the coin or just one? Hang on. What about to break through? Maybe, bro, but you close below, which is yeah, look, you close below, so you're gonna push back down. Yeah, it needs liquidity. Yeah, you're Kata's right, bro. It needs liquidity here. You know what doesn't need liquidity? Xauusd. I don't know. most likely goes to 0, right? Yeah. When did we think we'd ever start talking about fucking trading Memecoin? I'm waiting for a deposit into my wallet of like $50 though, because I need to actually get in this fucking coin. It's gone from 35k market cap to 37k. That's actually like a 10% increase within like a couple of seconds. Deposit gonna land? This is your mentor chat? Bro, this is separate to the Forex trading, right? This is nothing to do with Forex trading. We know for a fact this is just degeneracy and just a bit of fun. Do not do this. Don't trade fucking meme coins. I'm just doing it because I have the money to spend because I made some profit last night. Alright, so don't stress. But this shit's pumping and I don't have my deposit yet. Come on, please. Imagine I just turn. Oh shit, it's actually pushing. Gone to a 40k market cap from 35k. That's 20%. That's a 20% move, nearly 15%. That's actually crazy. Takes fucking an hour to move Sol or some shit. Like, what the hell? Alright, there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. You gonna let me swap it? Okay, yeah, nice. Chat. I've got 1.7 million Xauusd. Watch this shit just go to 0 right now. 1k right now in which coin? I just jumped in Xauusd, bro, but just be careful, right? I don't want to advise any coins or anything. I don't want to advise that shit. Wait, chat. One sec. Alright, TikTok made. What do we reckon, gang? Yeah, I'm streaming for way longer than I normally do, but fuck it. This is such a fun little... This is basically like, you know those guys who trade like, who go on like stake or some shit? Yeah, if this goes to a mil market cap, that's a 30x. This chart's delayed, by the way. Might catch the gold buy. Yo, yeah, shit, gold is pushing up. Chat, I'm gonna wait for this hourly as well on gold, probably. But in the meantime, I'm gonna watch Xauusd. Alright? I will look at gold on the hourly, to be fair. Yo, 43k market cap. We still getting MY? Yeah, for sure. I'll still stream MY, 100%. I feel like this could go crazy. I don't know. I might be wrong, but... Phantom? Yeah, it's Phantom. I want to see this shit go to... Wait, let me go to Photon. Go to iShowMe. Oh, there's two, you know. That's created 4 months ago. Did I buy the wrong iShowMe? Holy shit. What's this one at? No, okay, I bought the right one. Alright. First streamer to buy meme coins? No, bro. Fucking TJR had a whole stream yesterday buying meme. Yo, iShowMe pumping right now, chat. Up 17% this. Whoa. This shit's going, bro. Did he coin? Nah, bro. I was out of that ages ago, yeah. I was out of that ages ago, I can't lie. Alright, chat, what are we at right now? Oh, wait, I can't enter my fucking password there. You're gonna see a mil made live on YouTube. Bro, if this goes to a mil market cap, I'll turn 50 bucks into 1.5k again. We up right now though. We up from 50 bucks. Yo, chat, do not do this. Not financial advice. All that bullshit. I'm just having some fun right now. I'm just playing about, man. I want to see this shit hit like a 200k market cap, then I'll take some profits. That's probably like up here somewhere. This. Dev sold 31 million tokens. This shit rugged. The dev actually rugged that shit. Oh, wait, no, 31 million, bro. That's, wait, totaling. He only sold for 107 bucks. Wait, what? Yo, Dev tried to rug and got filled at such a low price. $83. Let's get it, chat. I'm gonna be back in a sec, yeah? If this shit goes to the moon, let me know. Yo! So, what we seeing here, chat? Bro, in the last hour, it's gone up 100%. That's fucking crazy. It's fucking crazy if you got in like an hour ago. That's crazy, bro. 0.0 and then 4 more zeros, 4.2. It's fucking hilarious. What's the market cap? 43k? Average, bro. Look at this gold, though, chat. Gold might be clean here. Next 15 minutes. Oh, chat, this 15-minute closure might be nice. Yeah, chat, this might be nice. Let's lock it in here on gold real quick. I'll wait for it to go flat before I put anything in. Right. Again, don't just copy me for random bullshit, right? I'm not advising this. Just to be like, to bring it back to a serious note here, it's just all fun and games. Traded coin on Bullex, got in 200k market cap, then 500 market cap. My wallet can't pay 50% fee, crazy. Oh, your wallet couldn't pay the fee, you didn't have, yeah, you gotta leave some gas money in there, yeah. I show me ripping, bro. You're all smart enough to not blindly follow a buff guy on the internet. I don't know, bro. You'd be surprised. And also, I'm saying it more from a fact of like protecting myself from, you know, firstly protecting you guys. But if someone follows me and I didn't say that shit, then you know, be a bit of an issue. Chat, it's 15 minutes closing here in about a minute's time. Are we gonna close above or below? Let's see, man. Let's see. 30 seconds. Looks like you want to close back below. I don't like the fact that you've sort of made a top wick here. Yeah, that's tough. This might start to range, chat. Probably put a perma disclaimer on the screen. That is scummy. I don't need it. Yeah, bro, we don't regularly do this shit, right? So, oh shit, it's dipping. So it's not as if like I need to put a permanent disclaimer on. It's just this one time that I'm actually just having a bit of fun. Good raise. Yeah, chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe too. We do this every single day, right? Trading gold. Meme coins are a bit of a fun thing for right now, but they're not every single day. $15 close below, chat. Okay. No entry for me on gold there. Show me top-down analysis. Top-down analysis goes crazy when the daily looks like this. It goes crazy. Yeah, so chat, if the daily can close above here, we're probably going to be looking at a nice little continuation after we get a bottom wick. Is this the closest thing to a stake stream we're getting? Yeah, 100%, bro. 100% closest to a stake stream you're going to get. Oh, not the 5-minute chat. 15-minute just open though on iShowMe, so hopefully we can get a nice little continuation here. Hourly looks good, to be honest. I think, yeah, hourly looks quite clean as long as you can close above here. Yeah, imagine. Wait, let me do this. Get the ranges in here. The ranges on iShowMe. Alright, so as you can see, we're pretty much in a range between 0.0 and 40 is 29 and 0.0 and 40 is 42. And then, yeah, you're probably looking at, once you get a closure above here, you're probably going to see a continuation to the upside. Looking to fill this wick here. Looking to fill this wick to the left-hand side. And if you can fill that wick, then you're probably going to see a new all-time high. Price discovery. Interesting, bro. Fucking crazy times we live in, eh? I saw so many streamers, bro. Like, not streamers, but like, I guess Instagram influencers or whatever. Bro, you know, Justin Whelan, he's quite a big trader. This guy made 214k on Memecoin. He doesn't show it right now, but yeah, fucking crazy, bro. Now the lines are up, I believe you FOMO'd in, El Gambler. I bought on the breakout right here. We're chilling. On the break of this high, impulse entry. No stress, we're good. Yeah, gold's fucked right now, chat. Not looking the best. Bro, my TikTok is just full of people saying, buy this coin, buy that coin, just buy this coin. Hilarious, bro. Yeah, but look, to be honest, yeah, gold's a bit cooked for right now. Probably going to wait till New York to trade gold. We've got news later as well. So most likely what I'm going to do here is call it for the session. Right now, we'll play the pixel letters and we'll jump off. But make sure you guys have, subscribed if you're new. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. And yeah, I think to be honest, we've got a lot of potential on gold. New York's going to be a more serious stream, right? I'm not going to be on meme coins or anything until the end at least. So yeah, focus up for the end of this session. I'll be trading in the signals as well. But look, guys, peace out. If you're going to dip, make sure you leave a like. We'll play the pixel letters real quick. And then, yeah, then we'll call it. Thank you, Mr. Hasty. Abdullah, what's good? That's a brazy guess, bro. That is a brazy guess. Thank you for the free values. Always grateful. Hey, Abdullah, I appreciate that, bro. That means a lot, man. Thank you. I'm actually too cooked. Oh, chat, what's this one? Shoes? Gotta be shoes, right? No. Alright, someone help me out here. How is that not shoes, bro? I was so convinced. Right, I'm gonna go with an A. N. U. I don't think it's that. I don't think it's that. I'll take it back. It's just about anus. I was trying my hardest, bro. I was trying my hardest, but it didn't quite pay out. Yo, is fucking I show me ripping. Oh, chat. What did I tell you? Least emotional trader out there. Chat. 50k market cap nearly. I'm telling you, if this shit goes to like... This shit can get to 1 mil market cap. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, no bottom wick as well. No liquidity being grabbed. A phantom takes ages to update price. It does, bro. Yeah, you got to... I use Photon to look at the price, to be honest. But yeah, phantom does take a while. Like 438. Oh yeah, mine's... Oh yeah, shit. Actually is. Unless it just ripped down, which it might have just done, to be fair. I think sometimes phantom's ahead of the curve. I think we might have just taken a big dip here, chat. A big sell-off. My phantom's telling me it's at 3.7 rather than 4.4. I don't even know, bro. But there you are. I think, to be fair, you're meant to trade it on like an exchange like this. It's way less efficient to trade it directly on Phantom, but fuck it. Right, let's finish off the pixel letters. I got distracted, my bad. What are we looking at? Shot, that's a word, bro. Chris? Chris is a crazy guess. C-A. Oh, it could be a S-A. No, wait. C-A-S. Cases? Oh, no, it can't be an E. That would have been good, though. Basis. No? What could that be, bro? Oasis? It's gotta be Oasis, no? I'm certain that's what it is. Do I send it, chat? I will send it. Yeah, man. W. It couldn't be a B because there's no B at the top. Chat, that's it from me today. I'll be back for New York session in about 2 hours now. I don't have long. I'm gonna get some food, chill out for a bit. But listen, peace out, gang. Appreciate you all very, very much. If you're in the signals, stay tuned. Otherwise, peace out. Much love. See you later. Bye-bye, gang.